is Thursday. It is October the 15th and a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Do you want to be in the yearbook? I want to be in the yearbook. Don't ignore that email that you're getting from the yearbook staff. It's a Google form where you can attach your picture, and right now they're looking for your best selfie so that you can be in the yearbook. Make sure to send in any pictures they are requesting, and then you have an opportunity to get in there at least 3 times. Our thought for this week is really thinking about being thoughtful. So let's be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a battle. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day.